Hello, my name is Halloween Namwong.
Hello, my name is Jesrakon Tasu. Today, we will talk about the situation between doctor and patient, about how to inquire about illness. Invited to watching.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Halloween Namwong.
Mr. Namwong, my name is Jesrakon Tasu. May I ask what is bothering you?
I have been coughing.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Is there anything else bothering you?
I have also got a headache and a fever.
Do you smoke?
Yes,
How many packs a day?
one for day.
Please open your mouth to see the truth. How long have you been feeling like this?
For 2 days.
You have to undergo some tests like X-ray, urinalysis, and blood tests. The medical technologists and nurses will take care of you. I will check on you again after we have the results.
Thanks you, doctor. Survey of the situation. Example of an error. After and apologize and thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.